Flag Animal Farm. Almost all the animals are so tame, and the kids was holding bunnies, snakes, riding on ponies, and we even did a wolf encounter. We bought our tickets and some animal foods from the reception, so don't forget it. You can feed the animals as you walk through. So I hope you are doing well. Today we are Flag Animal Farm. Today we are here and we will show you कि यहाँ पर जो एनिमल्स है वो किस तरह से रेस्क्यू की जाती हैं और किस तरह से उनकी देखभाल किया जाता है. This place is very safe and secure. Flag Animal Farm is rated the largest and safe rescued animal farm in KwaZulu-Natal. The farm environment is very friendly, peaceful, and favorable for all kinds of rescued animals. Flag Farm is established 20 decades before. Over the years, they saved 14,000 lives. अच्छा 11 बजे वुल्फ टॉक है, 12:30 पे मिल्किंग शो है, 1 बजे रिप्टाइल शो है, 2 बजे, 3 बजे वुल्फ टॉक है वापस. We love the adventure at the Flag Animal Farm. Every single member of the staff is so kind, considerate, and overall excited about life and what they are doing there. So it was an experience to remember. I would encourage everyone to support this amazing place. First of all, I will introduce you with the talking parrot. इस बकरी को हमारे कैरेट्स पसंद नहीं आए तो इसने ज़रा भी नहीं लिपटाया, मगर इसकी बहन को हमारा खाना बहुत पसंद आया तो वो मज़े से खा रही है. अपने हाथों से इन जानवरों को खाना खिलाते हुए बहुत अच्छा महसूस हो रहा था. And of course, Arshan also loved feeding them. Pig is sleeping. Kids were enjoying a lot because there were so many jungle gyms. Some kids were enjoying tractor ride, but some pony ride. Since we welcomed our child, the way we think about outing changed quite a bit. For instance, instead of going shopping malls, we prefer to go indoor play area. Instead of coffee shops, we go to kids parks. And we start noticing the places where our child Arshan enjoy the most. So how times and preferences changed a lot. That's life. Anyway, I think life with children and doing adventures with them is blessed life, though it's not easy. So when we found out this place on friends' recommendation, we thought what a great family outing would it be. यकीन माने एक देहाती पहाड़ी लड़की होने की हैसियत से और अपना बचपन बल्कि अपना पूरा बचपन अपने नाना नानी के बिल्कुल ऐसे फार्म वाले घर में बिताने के बावजूद मुझे जानवरों को छूने से अब भी डर लगता है. लेकिन मेरे बेटे ने मुझे निराश नहीं किया, क्योंकि हर जानवर को ना सिर्फ ये छू लेता था बल्कि गोद में भी उठा लेता था. ये तो नहीं डरता. इसी तरह हम घूमते रहे और एनिमल फार्म को एक्सप्लोर करते रहे। एंड वी couldn't remember to buy our coffee before. वहाँ पर चाय की बड़ी तलब होती है जो कि वहाँ पर मिलती नहीं है। This water play area is incredible and it's only for children. Oh, this is beautiful peacock. You can see it. Wow. Flag Farm provides a real farm experience where families can walk freely and cuddle the beautiful animals. So these beautiful animals feel safe and secure in this environment which Flag Farm provides them. There are many beautiful animals, birds and reptiles. Some beautiful activities and safe activities for families like pirate ship indoor play centers, reptile rooms, wolves, tractor rides, horse rides, loads of playgrounds, player room facilities, splash water park, and many more surprises, so every time people can visit and enjoy the activities.
Alicia, you can go. Dean, where's your costume? Did you bring it?
ये हॉर्स तो बहुत ही भूखा है, तो ये हमने खिला लिया।
इसका पेट कहाँ गाजरों से भरता है।
You can see the Bella cream cow here. Here. The oldest cow at the flag. She is 21 years old. Oldest cow at flag in 5 years over night span.
इसके पीछे पीछे आ जाओ देखना वुल्स को
और अब हम जाएंगे वुल्फ टॉक शो देखने के लिए. Obviously, these two wolves are the main attraction, and everybody gathered around when it was the show time. Wolf talk time. ये फीमेल का नाम अलास्का है.
They will never develop with display. That's one major difference. Whereas our dogs have got curved spinal cords, so they always put getting hip dysplasia and arthritis. So these guys will never develop that disease in their life. So let me go inside and.
जीवा.
So all this things, I'm just going to try to open his mouth. Now open his mouth so you guys can see his teeth. So they've got the same amount of teeth as compared to our dogs, 42 teeth. Just that wolves are much longer and stronger jawline, so they have the 18th strongest bite in the animal kingdom.
फीमेल का नाम अलास्का है.
I want to get you. Stop. Go sit down. Okay, sit down. Sit down.
योल्लो रोड कर रहे हैं. डर लग रहा है.
say hi
Look at my husband's excitement. He was more excited than all the children around him. But Arshan was not fascinated much.
Bands stretch up to 3 centimeters in length.
लग गया ना इसको
So they'll stretch up. So if they bite down force, they can crush bones or break them into powder, but they can get out. If you have any questions about our two beautiful Canadian white wolves, you can throw them at me straight after the wolf talk. Now, to introduce them to you, we've got Alaska over here who was rejected by her mom at birth. So her mom was being trained as a tracking wolf down in the south coast for anti-poaching purposes. They had a sense of survival. So they bought him when he was about 8 weeks old. They thought you buy him at a puppy age, you can house him, you super destructive and they eat him off as well. We go through roughly 6 kgs of chicken meat just to feed these two wolves here. So each one of them is having 3 kgs of chicken meat. Also a meat factory called Boxer.
The female name is Alaska and the male name is Everest. They go home with the owners every night. They go for runs 3 times in a week. You can notice everybody in the farm was so happy and excited as well.
That rabbit's not.
यार पिंक आंखें अर्शी आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ वहाँ नहीं जाएंगे
फाइनली हम विजिट करने वाले हैं रेप्टाइल हाउस का, जो कि छोटा सा है मगर उसके अंदर बहुत सारे रेप्टाइल्स आपको मिलेंगे. सो लेट्स गो इनसाइड.
ये सही चल रहा है There's a keys.
There was a tractor ride too, and it goes around the farm every 30 minutes, if I'm not wrong. The driver was singing, and the kids were there enjoying a lot. And Arshan didn't want to miss that opportunity to ride a tractor. A variety of animals were there to see and feed. Overall, it was a lovely place with so many activities and educational opportunities for all ages. You can spend all your day with the animals, with the nature, but don't forget to take your lunch with you because there is no good meal spot. As the sun began to set, casting a golden glow over the farm, we said goodbye to Flying Animal Farm, knowing that we will carry the memories of this enchanting day with us forever. Please leave a comment below and recommend me places in Durban. Where should I go next? Explore it. If you like this video, thumbs up, and if you are the new viewer, do subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey. Bye bye. बहुत ही थका देने वाले और बहुत ही मज़ेदार लर्निंग से भरपूर राइड और विज़िट करने के बाद अब हम लोग घर जाने का सोच रहे हैं। फ्लैग एनिमल फार्म विज़िट करने के बाद एक फन से भरपूर दिन का इख्तिताम हो चुका है। बहुत थके हारे, बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लग रही है, सोच रहे हैं कि इससे कुछ खाना खाए। Until next time, keep exploring. Take care, bye bye.